Hi, I'm Ryan Lazanis of Future Firm. Most firm owners I know are simply sending out proposals after they've spoken to their potential clients. But what I'd like to propose is an additional step that will not only significantly improve your conversion rates, but also significantly increase your pricing. If you know anything about me, I'm a big proponent of always presenting clients and prospects with a gold, silver, and bronze service option, each at varying price points. This is a proven strategy for moving your clients up the value chain and in turn significantly increasing your prices. If you adopt this approach, my recommendation is to hold a separate call with your client or potential client and present your gold, silver, and bronze packages to them instead of simply emailing them out. I call this the options call. Here's what one of my coaching students had to say about this. Ryan, I had a solid win this week. For the first time, I didn't send the client our proposal via email, but rather presented the options via a call. I was skeptical because I hadn't done it like this before. Our ideal price was the CFO plan, and when we presented the options on the call, the prospect didn't even hesitate. They just smiled and said, "It's not even a question, I'm going with the CFO plan." The reason why an options call is preferable to emailing is twofold. First is because you can demonstrate why your gold and silver plans are of higher value. It's hard for the client to understand this if they're just reading an email they received rather than you explaining it. And second is because you're able to handle objections directly on the spot. When you email a proposal out, the prospect ends up making their own decision, and it's very hard to reverse that decision once it's been made. When you have a call to review the options, you can see what they like, what they don't like, and help guide them to the appropriate solution while discussing any objections that they might have along the way. The beautiful thing about the options call is that you can preload your gold, silver, and bronze options into Ignition, and on the call with the client, you would share your screen, run through the three options, email the Ignition proposal during the call, and have your client pick the option they like and agree to the engagement right on the spot. So the next time you have a proposal that needs to be sent, consider presenting that proposal on a call before you send it out to them. You'll see it will help you land clients at higher price packages much more easily.